How to find your Temu referral code. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So Temu offers and provides a referral code that allows you to invite friends and earn rewards. And here's how you can find it. First of all, open your Temu application on your mobile device and make sure that it's updated to its latest version. Also make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. And once you're in the homepage, tap on the U section from the bottom that is between categories and cart option. Once you do that, tap on Win Reward option that is between history and addresses. Tap on it. You will be taken to the Earn Credits and Free Gifts section. Tap on Redeem Credit, and there you will see the option of Refer New App Uses. Tap on it. A pop-up will appear, and from here you can tap on Copy Link, or you can also go ahead and tap on Copy Code to refer it to your friends, or you can also directly share your referral link through Messenger, Snapchat chats, WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and any other social media platforms. Friends who sign up using your code will earn reward, and so will you. And that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.